Hello, Oompa Loomps. Let us do our phonic sound for the letter U today. This is the letter U. This is the mummy U or the capital letter U. This is the baby U or the small letter U. I want you to give me a whole row of the mommy letter and the baby letter. The mommy U and the baby U, give me a whole entire row, but give me finger spaces in between as well, please. And then you're going to skip a line and give me a whole entire row of the baby letter or the small letter. Skip a line and do another line. Never forget your finger spaces in between. Don't forget. Okay, so now, what sound does the letter U make? The letter U is a magic letter. It makes two different sounds. It makes the sound A, like umbrella, but it also makes the sound U, like unicorn. So A for umbrella and U for unicorn. Let's see if we can break the word umbrella down into its sounds. A, M, B, R, E, O, La. Umbrella. And let's break down the word unicorn into its sounds. U, N, E, K, like cat with whiskers. O, R, N, unicorn. And then this word is up, up. Like you can see, these arrows are pointing up. So the sounds for you are A like umbrella and A like up, but also U like unicorn. Let's see if we can figure out our sound pattern for today. E for egg, K for kicking kite, Qu for queen, and S for snake. E, K, Qu, S. E, K, Qu, S. E, K, Qu, S. E, K, Qu, S. And that